Hey, hey you, remember, do something you enjoy today. Do it.
Well, here I am again. I just rolled out of bed, haven't eaten yet, and I found a recipe for a breakfast carrot cake. So let's see what that's all about, shall we? First, I have to grate about half of my quite large carrot into a bowl. Alright, it's not quite half of the carrots, but it's good enough. Now I got to add a banana, one egg, about 2 tablespoons of oats, some raisins, and finally a little bit of cinnamon. Now the only thing I have to do is to smash it all together with a fork. Somehow. Alright, that looks pretty nasty. Now I have to put it in the microwave on full power for about 2 to 3 minutes. So says the recipe. And there you go. Actually, it looks pretty nice. As final touch, you can add some fat-free Greek yogurt. And a little bit cinnamon. And there you go. A breakfast carrot cake, straight from the microwave. Let's see what this tastes like. Ooh, nice cake-like consistency. Not bad. Tastes like carrot cake. Juicy, soft, not too heavy, pretty good. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.